The addition of infographics can really bring an air of professionalism to any presentation or visual form of communication. We've brought together all our favorite infographics into this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Infographic Design Templates Countdown. All items featured are available on Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that will give you access to more than 1 million creative assets that will help you save time, money, and general resources. Subscriptions include video stock, fonts, PowerPoint templates, and everything in between to enhance your projects. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Infographic Constructor by Andrew Crass. The Infographic Design Kit starting off our countdown today contains a range of geometric shapes, including squares, arrows, rectangles, and circles, as well as charts and calendars. Number 9. Infographic Templates by wowomnom. The bright infographic templates in this kit are perfect for corporate presentations, flyers, web design, and a range of other uses. The files are easy to edit, customize, and made ready to print. Number 8. Infographics Elements Design by Graphics for You. From marketing to accounts, customer relations to human resources, and many more, a wide variety of departments within any business can utilize the vector designs in this infographic kit to add a little flair to presentations and other communications. Number 7. Outline Infographic by Andrew Crass. Web design, workflow layout, and process templates can all benefit from the modern elements included in this massive infographic template pack. It includes 40 ready-made templates with icons like dollar signs, puzzle shapes, megaphones, pie charts, and more. Number 6. 10 Paper Infographics by Andrew Crass. The creative assets included in this infographics pack are fully layered, well organized, easy to customize, and 100% vector format. Handy help files provide assistance for all users from beginners to experts. If you've found this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Infographic Design Templates Countdown helpful so far, please ring that subscription bell and like and share this video with anyone else who might appreciate it. Thank you for your support. Now, let's take a look at the templates that made the top 5. Number 5. Creative Infographics Set 6 by Abert84. A great selection of diagrams, graphs, charts, and presentation designs are readily available when you download this template pack. It's a fantastic resource for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, and everything in between. Number 4. Flat Infographic Elements by ConceptCafe. This collection of over 200 infographic templates includes a variety of useful elements in both 3D and flat designs to cater to the needs of designers across a range of industries. Number 3. Infographic Elements Template by bestwebsoft. The number 3 addition to our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Infographic Design Templates Countdown contains stunning infographics ranging from world maps to triangle charts, human infographics, and bar charts, among many other elements. Number 2. Illustrations of the Earth with Infographics Version 1 by Giallo. Map out your presentations in style with high-resolution images made from infographics that outline beautiful and accurate illustrations of the Earth. USA and Canada, the North Pole, Asia, and Indonesia are all included in this unique pack. Number 1. Business Infographics by Tito. Taking out the top spot in this countdown is an infographic pack with an industrial feel. Perfectly suited to business presentations, marketing efforts, and many other purposes, these versatile templates will make designing digital and printable assets much easier. Which of the items in this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Infographic Design Templates list stood out as being helpful to you personally? Let us know in the comments. You can see more videos like this by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the Envato channel. The next video in the queue has been chosen just for you. Be sure to watch it before you leave. You can find all the best infographic design templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Sharing your ideas and communicating effectively with visual assets has never been so simple.